So today is January 5th, 2019. It's a Saturday. It's the first Saturday of the month, and that means we need to test the Code Orange steam whistle. That's done once a month. It's a requirement, a regular monthly check that we do. So what is a Code Orange? Code Orange, emergency preparedness. A Code Orange is when there's an emergency incident involving SAVAHICS. An internal Code Orange is an emergency that happens here on station. An external Code Orange, an emergency incident that happens in the community, and SAVAHICS is asked to provide assistance. So this video will show how we perform the Code Orange test. So to announce to the world that we have a Code Orange, here in the boiler plant we have a steam whistle mounted on the roof. To do the Code Orange test, we're going to actually activate the steam whistle. We're going to blow the steam whistle. The steam whistle is located on the roof. On the side of number 1 boiler is the lever that we're going to pull, which is connected with cables and pulleys to the steam whistle. When I pull this lever, it's going to open the valve in the steam whistle. Steam will flow through and the horn will activate. Again, this is on the side of number 1 boiler. So to perform the test, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to call the operator, and we're going to let them know that we're going to be doing this Code Orange test. And then they call the portables, let them know, so that people on station or out, or even out in town, when they hear the whistle, know that it's a test. After we've called the operator, we're going to go out there and we're going to activate the horn 3 times. Each activation is going to be for 5 seconds, followed by a 10-second pause. Then the last thing we do for the test is call the operator back and let them know that the test is completed.